is Mrs. Brown and her family. They are from Dallas. Dallas is in Texas. Texas is in the USA. Dallas is a big city. It's safe and fun. Remember, for USA, always use the in any form. The US, the USA, the United States of America. All forms use the. Let's practice. Where is Dallas?
Dallas is in the United States.
Where is New York?
New York is in the USA too.
Very good. Where is Dallas? Respond. Very good. Where is New York? Respond. Very good. Dallas is a city. Sid. Remember, the T changes to a D between two vowels. Sid, E, city. Dallas is a city. Repeat. Los Angeles is a city. Repeat. New York is a city. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. Is Dallas a big city?
Yes, Dallas is a big city.
Is Dallas a big city? Respond. Very good. Is Los Angeles a big city?
Yes, Los Angeles is a big city.
Is Los Angeles a big city? Respond. Very good. Safe. Opposite. Dangerous. Say. Safe. A safe place. Safe. Repeat. Very good. Opposite. Dangerous. Day. Dane. Dange. Danger. Dangerous. Remember, dangerous, you have O-U-S. When you finish O-U-S, always pronounce S. So pronunciation, dangerous. Dangerous. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. Is Dallas dangerous?
No, Dallas is not dangerous.
Is Dallas dangerous? Respond. Very good. Is Dallas a safe city?
Yes, Dallas is a safe city.
Is Dallas a safe city? Respond. Very good. Let's practice. Is he a safe driver?
Yes, he is a safe driver.
That's right. He's not talking on the phone. He is a safe driver. Is he a safe driver? Respond. Very good. To express existence, we use there is. And for one, a or an before a vowel. There is an airport in the city. There is a library in the city. And there is a hospital. There is pronunciation. Air. There. Is. There is. Repeat. Very good. There is a bank in Dallas. Repeat. Very good. There is a river. River. Riv. River. There is a river in Dallas. Repeat. Very good. Zoo. Zoo. There is a zoo in Dallas. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. A river. Is there a river in your city?
Yes, there is a river in my city.
Is there a river in your city? Respond. Very good. A zoo. Is there a zoo in your city?
Yes, there is a zoo in my city.
Is there a zoo in your city? Respond. Very good. To make a question, we take there is and switch. Switch. Question, is there? Is there an airport? Is there a river in Dallas? Question. Is there a zoo? Let's practice question. Is there a hospital?
Yes, there is a hospital.
Is there a hospital? Respond. Very good. So positive, there is. Contraction, there's. There's a police station near here. Make a question. Is there a police station near here?
Yes, there is a police station near here.
Is there a police station near here? Respond. Very good. Is there a library near here?
Yes, there is a library near here.
Is there a library near here? Respond. Very good. Question. Is there a park near here?
Yes, there is a park near here.
Is there a park near here? Respond. Very good. Is there a supermarket near here?
Yes, there is a supermarket near here.
Is there a supermarket near here? Respond. Very good. Is there a bus station near here?
Yes, there is a bus station near here.
Is there a bus station near here? Respond. Very good. Is there a school near here?
Yes, there is a school near here.
Is there a school near here? Respond. Very good. Is there a restaurant near here?
Yes, there is a restaurant near here.
Is there a restaurant near here? Respond. Very good. Is there a bar near here?
Yes, there is a bar near here.
Very good. Is there a bar near here? Respond. Very good. Let's practice questions. Make a question.
Is there a bar near here?
Very good. Yes, there is. Make a question. Yes, there is. Make a question for bank.
Is there a bank near here?
Yes, there is. Make a question for bank. Yes, there is. This is a hotel. Pronunciation. O, ho, t, hot, e, hotel, hotel. Hotel, repeat. Now with hotel, we put the stress on the second syllable. Hotel. Not hotel, but hotel. Say, a hotel. Repeat. Very good. And we see the T between two vowels is a T. It's not a D because the stress is on the second syllable. Hotel. Make a question with hotel.
Is there a hotel near here?
Yes, there is. Make a question with hotel. Yes, there is. This is a factory. A, fa, k, fact, fact. Factor. E, factory. A factory. Repeat. Very good. Make a question with factory.
Is there a factory in Dallas?
Yes, there is. Make a question with factory. Yes, there is. This is a museum. U, mew. Remember, the sound U is two sounds. It's y, oo, you. So together again. U, mew. Z, muse. E, musee. A, musea. Museum. Museum. Repeat. Very good. This is a museum. Repeat. Very good. Let's make a question. Make a question with museum.
Is there a museum in Dallas?
Yes, there is. Make a question with museum. Very good. Yes, there is. This is a train station. Pronunciation? Train. T, ter, or ch, chur, a, tray, train. A train station. Repeat. Very good. Make a question with train station.
Is there a train station in Dallas?
Yes, there is. Make a question with train station. Yes, there is. This is a coffee shop. Caw, cough. Coffee. Coffee shop. 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 Coffee shop. Repeat. This is a coffee shop. Repeat. Very good. Make a question with coffee shop.
Is there a coffee shop in Dallas?
Yes, there is. Make a question with coffee shop. Yes, there is.